Hi, welcome to a physical science helpful video on 2.3. Okay, so this is a 2.3 quote unquote live example. Okay, so the problem we're going to do is TI 47. So level 1, remember, is NPNE. So this is titanium. And when you're given isotope notation, remember you want to grab the periodic table and go look up the atomic number, which titanium is number 22. So that does mean that there are 22 protons. There are, in this case, 25 neutrons, because that's 47 minus 22, and there are 22 electrons. This is not an ion because there is no charge. The AAM of titanium is 47.88 or 48. So that means that this is an isotope and it is not stable. Now, we're going to have to do level 3 today. Level 3 is ECBLD, right? So we need to do the electron configuration math. And when we do the electron configuration math, we are starting with those 22 electrons. Okay? So from those 22 electrons, they go to 1s and 2 can sit down, and now I have 20. They go to 2s and 2 can sit down. Now I have 18. They go to 2p and 6 can sit down. Now I have 12. They go to 3s, and again, we're following this chart on the back of your periodic table. After 2p, they go to 3s and 2 sit down. Now I have 10. After 3s, they go to 3p and 6 can sit down. Now I have 4. And after 3p, they go to 4s, but only 2 can sit down, and I have 2 left, and they go to 3d, gets those last 2. So your electron configuration, remember, is hidden inside the math. So it is really 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10. No, I'm sorry, 3d2. Okay, 3d2. Look back at your math if you need that answer. Then we're going to do the Bohr model. And in order to do this Bohr model, this is a drawing inside the table, inside the document. So all you have to do is double click on it. You need to remember what your electron configuration was. And so on a little scratch piece of paper, you may want to jot down that you have 22 protons, 25 neutrons, and then what your electron configuration is. 1s is 2, 2s is 2, 2p is 6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, and 3d2. Because when you double click on this, it opens that drawing, and I need to zoom out a little bit so that you can see the whole thing. And what you're going to do is fill this in. So when you click inside the box, you have 22 protons, and you can make the box bigger if you need to, which you will. Whoops. There we go. Make the box bigger if you need to. You have 22 protons, you have 25 neutrons. Then in shell 1s gets 2, and just use x's. Put x's in the boxes. 2s gets 2. This is 2, shell 2, section P gets 6. 3s gets 2. 3p gets 6. 4s gets 2. And 3d gets 2. And when you click Save and Close, it puts the Bohr model down there for you. Let's now do the same thing for the loop diagram. If you double click on it, you can fill in this table or this box, and there are 22 protons and there are 25 neutrons. Then you put your total number of electrons on each shell. So shell 1 has a total of 2, Shell 2 has a total of 8. Shell 3 has a total of 10. And shell 4 has a total of 2. And again, you click Save and Close, and your loop diagram is done. Finally, we get the dot diagram. And this, there is none for titanium because titanium is in that valley that has a variable valence, so they don't have dot diagrams. So hope this helps in knowing what to do and how to fill in your Bohr model in your loop diagram and do today's assignment. Thanks for watching.